Hey everyone, welcome to this course on Kotlin. If you're interested in building modern Android apps, backend services, or clean, reliable software, Kotlin is a language you definitely want to learn. In this video, I'll quickly explain what Kotlin is, where it came from, and why learning Kotlin is a great choice for developers today. So what is Kotlin? Kotlin is a modern, statically typed programming language that runs on the Java virtual machine, and it can also be compiled to JavaScript and native code. It was designed to be concise, safe, and expressive, helping developers write less code while avoiding common programming errors. One of Kotlin's biggest strengths is its full interoperability with Java, meaning you can use Kotlin and Java together in the same project without issues. Kotlin was created by JetBrains, the company behind IntelliJ IDEA, and was first released in 2011. As developers looked for a better alternative to Java, Kotlin gained popularity for its cleaner syntax and safer features. In 2017, Google officially announced Kotlin as a first-class language for Android development, which significantly boosted its adoption worldwide. So why should you learn Kotlin? First, it makes Android development better. Kotlin reduces boilerplate code and helps prevent common bugs like null pointer exceptions. Second, Kotlin is versatile. It's used not only for Android apps, but also for backend development, desktop applications, and even cross-platform projects. Third, Kotlin improves code readability and maintainability, making it easier to work in teams and on large projects. And finally, Kotlin is in high demand. Many companies have fully transitioned from Java to Kotlin, especially in the Android ecosystem. In this course, we'll start from the basics and move step by step into real-world Kotlin development, best practices, and practical examples. By the end of the course, you'll be confident writing clean and professional Kotlin code. Let's get started, and I'll see you in the next lesson.